and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting because I won a giveaway. I know, I never win anything. I have never won anything in my adult life. I have not. So I won a Sydney Grace giveaway from my friend Carrington here on YouTube. I'm really excited. This is my very first time trying anything from Sydney Grace and also my first time ever winning a giveaway. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox this giveaway and I'm also going to be trying out some of the items on my face today. Yes. So if you're excited to see me unbox my giveaway package and also try some stuff on my face, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay. I am going to leave Carrington's channel linked down below because I'm telling you, this girl has so much makeup. She is going to do a ton of giveaways in the future. I just know she is. I know she is. She's been stashing up all this stuff to give away, and she has finally started to do her giveaways as she reaches higher subscriber goals. So go check out her channel, subscribe so we can get some more giveaways, okay? Just a side note, this says, please handle with care, fragile, thank you. And I just feel like that's me. She packaged it so well. It's in this huge bubble wrapped envelope, and then I can tell that inside is also squishy. It's all bubble wrapped inside. So I've got another package of bubble wrap. As part of the giveaway, she was giving away one of these Sydney Grace bags. How she did her giveaway is that she ordered their mystery bags, like mystery makeup bags, and she unboxed everything, and then anything that she had extra of, she just put to the side, and she's doing her giveaway, and that's how she came up with these products here today that I'm going to be trying out. I don't know if you could even tell or what, but I don't normally come on camera with my face makeup done, like just foundation and nothing else. But I am trying out a acne prone skincare routine, and my skin, I'm not kidding, is so dry that it's flaking. So my skin looked horrendous. I noticed in the last few videos that I've posted that my skin is just like progressively getting worse and worse. So yes, I have my skin makeup on today, just foundation, no blush or anything. So let's unbag this together and put some stuff on our face, shall we? As I previously mentioned, this is a first impressions for me. I've never tried anything from Sydney Grace. So if you do like Sydney Grace and you try a lot from them, leave down below in the comments some of your favorite products, because if I enjoy this brand, I will probably go and order some stuff for myself. There is so much stuff in this bag. Like, I see a ton of single shadows and some other like mini boxes and things and such. So we're just gonna dip in. The very first thing that I grabbed is called Glee. It's a loose pigment. Okay. It is very hard to see this pigment, but honestly, it looks like maybe it is possibly just like a sparkly gray black color. How do you swatch loose pigments? I think this is honestly just a glitter black shade. I'm trying to think as I unbox this what I'm going to do today. I don't know. The next thing I grabbed in the bag is the Candid Peach Loose Highlighter. Okay. Ooh, I've never tried a loose highlighter before. And again, this is in the shade Candid Peach. Wow. That's exciting. The next thing I grabbed is another, why can't I speak today? Is another loose highlighter, and this is Sweet Peach. So we just got Candid Peach. Now we're doing Sweet Peach. That one's beautiful too. Next we have a loose glitter, and this is Berry Picking. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a glitter look, I can already tell. Full glitter, full steam ahead. Oh, we have two berry pickings. Okay, interesting. Should I put it in a giveaway? Should I give away extras in a giveaway? I don't know. I'm gonna put it to the side. I don't need two berry pickings, okay? All right, so it's looking like everything else in this bag is all individual shadows and maybe individual blushes, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to dig into this. The only issue is I don't have a free empty like magnetic palette, so how am I going to display these? I recently just did a video where I made a mystery summer palette from Copacetic Cosmetics, so unfortunately I think I'm going to just briefly, I'm going to have to get another palette, I guess. I'm going to depot all these individual shadows, and we'll use that for today's video so that we can showcase the colors. Because that is the only way I'm going to be able to tell what the heck I'm going to be doing today, because, ooh, I have a lot of loose stuff. I don't know what to do with so much loose stuff. It'll be worth it. So, I have an empty palette. Let's get into opening up all of these individual shadows. What do I do? This first one looks like it is huge. That's why I'm kind of confused. Oh, this is a highlighter. Okay, that's why I was confused. Ooh, that's a dark highlighter. I would probably honestly use this as an eyeshadow shade, and this is in the shade Sublime. Sublime highlighter. Okay. So this is another highlighter in Sandy Beach. A little too dark for my skin tone, so probably just a huge, massive shade. What am I doing? This is another highlighter, and this is in the shade Sequoia. That's going to be another lid shade for me. We have another highlighter, and this one is Ancient History. That one might work as an actual highlighter on me. It's the lightest of the ones I've gotten so far. That was all of my highlighters. So next we're moving into the individual shadows. This one's called Footprints. Okay. Legendary. This shade is called Opulence. Beautiful shimmer here. A gray shimmer. Oh, a gray to purple, like, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, beautiful duochrome looks like. This one's called Amethyst. Oh my God. This shimmer formula is amazing, amazing. Okay, I'm judging this one hard. This one's called Rainforest, and it is a matte forest green shade, and in every, I'm not kidding, I have not ever yet found a forest green eyeshadow formula that is nice. They're always patchy and crap, so Rainforest. Well, I'll just put my foot in my mouth. This one is called Sweet Jubilee. Okay, this one is called Pecan Pie. It looks dark. I would say Pecan Pie is more of an orange shade, but that's just my own personal opinion. I don't know. These like neutrally matte shades, they're not wonderful, but maybe they just don't swatch very good. Or maybe I'm a crap swatcher. I don't know. Kiss Me, I'm Irish. I hate those shirts. Green Matte. Ooh, Emerald Eyes. It looks beautiful in the pan. There it is. Wow, beautiful. That's very beautiful. This one is called Eiffel Tower. Another dark matte. They don't swatch as dark as they look in the pan, you know? Last but certainly not least, Ethereal, which again does not... Ethereal, I'm thinking like duochrome, I'm thinking shimmer, I'm thinking purple to green shift. Okay, these are all of the swatches of my giveaway Sydney Grace eyeshadow collection I just got. We've got some good stuff to work with today. I was able to fit almost everything in this little palette except for this blush, which will be a lid shade for me. It's way too dark, but yeah, that is the color palette we're working with today. And I'm thinking I'm going green. I'm thinking so. So I'm going to prime one eye and leave the other one bare. I do not know how these are going to perform, so I'd rather just test it out on both eyes, you know? It might be an odd thing to do, but I think I'm actually going to set this eye with this like shimmer shade. I don't know. I think I should set it a little. So let's just set it down. I don't have like a light skin neutral, so I guess we're setting with a shimmer. Does that, I don't know. Okay. I don't know how to do makeup, guys. Why do you think I know how to do makeup? I do not know how to do makeup. I just practiced enough where I'm not absolute crap at it. So I'm gonna start with Kiss Me, I'm Irish. Quite a bit of fallout. I don't really mind. And I'm dabbing. I do not know how pigmented these are. I'm just gonna dab, 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 dab. I have been loving green eyeshadow lately. Love it. Okay, that's primed. Oh yeah, if you want saturation, you've got to prime. You gotta. I think I actually like the non-primed eye side, actually. It's very diffused, I guess. Easy to just blend out onto the eye. Okay. I think it's time to deepen things up. I'm going in with the shade Rainforest in just the outer corner here. Ooh, powdery. Just on the outer portion here. I am just absolutely ready for fall. Can't you tell? Look at this eye look. Look at it. Just look at it. She demands fall. She is fall. Okay, that deepened up nicely. I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer on the primed side and nothing on the other side. I want to see how well this goes. I'm taking the shade Emerald Eyes. It's beautiful. I'm going to let this primer sit for just a moment, so I'm going to go in with the non-primed eye, just with my finger. Oh, wow. Next, on the primed eye, okay, I do have some fallout, but holy cow. On the eye that I did not prime, the shadows blended out so nicely. The sticky side with the primer, it was like a little bit more challenging, but I mean, it's like pigmented. I mean, the pigment is there. It's nice. Really nice. This one's primed. This one's not primed. Okay, I am quickly going to finish my eyes and like clean things up a little bit, maybe put some more makeup on, and then we will be right back. Okay, I quickly finished up my eyes. I did not spend a lot of time on my makeup today, guys. Sorry, I wanted today to be all about the eyeballs. So on the bottom lash line, I went in with Sweet Jubilee on the bottom outer portion of my eye. And then on the bottom inner portion of my eye, I went in with the Amethyst shade just so I could use up some more of these shades and kind of get a feel for them. And then, you know, I went with purple and everything, so I went ahead and used this loose glitter on the inner, like on the center of my eye, as you can clearly see. And I'm obsessed with it because it's like little tiny glitters, bigger glitters. It's got star glitters in it. And I'm feeling like I don't know. I feel like I'm giving off like Hocus Pocus vibes. Anyway. So yeah, I went in with the loose glitter, and by the way, it is she loose, you know. We are going to try out these loose highlighters. And I'm not going to lie, I don't know the best way to apply a loose highlighter. So, I guess I'm just going to find like some sort of fluffy something, and I'm just going to go into the like whatever's in the cap. This one is the Sweet Peach shade. Sweet Peach. I don't know what to do. So good Lord. Holy crap. Okay. Calm down. You're cool. Calm down. Okay, wait. I don't want to just go in with Sweet Peach. Hold on. Candied Peach. Let's just do both. Why not? Oh Lord, she shimmers and shines like a disco ball in the night. Why am I speaking like that? I don't know. Oh my god. Have I been missing out on the loose highlighter? Like, ma'am. Anyway. This is the completed Sydney Grace look. What do you think? Again, I didn't go anything fancy on the face. Today is about the eyes and that freaking highlighter. Oh my gosh. So let's see, I used the highlighters, I used the loose glitter, and I used the individual Sydney Grace shades. I love it. I love it. I think it's a great brand. I am very, very excited that I got to try this stuff out. I wouldn't have otherwise. I wouldn't have. Honestly, I would not have done that by myself. I think Carrington did an amazing job packaging and sending this giveaway to me. I am very, very impressed with everything that I tried today, and I'm so, so grateful and excited that I actually won a giveaway. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!